Hello again, green butterflies. We are now in the last chapter of the book, chapter 12, and we are on lesson 12.1, Sort Two-Dimensional Shapes. How can you use attributes to sort two-dimensional shapes? Draw to sort the shapes. Write the sorting rule. Now, we don't get to pick our sorting rule this time. It tells us what we need to do. It says, Devin wants to sort these shapes to show a group of triangles and a group of rectangles. Draw and write to show how Devin sorts the shapes. Now the words triangles and rectangles are right down here. Also, if you look at your desk tape, you probably have it still there. But let me go ahead and write them for you. So the sorting rule is triangles and rectangles. Now, triangles are like tricycles. You know how a tricycle has 3 wheels? Well, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices or 3 corners. Rectangles we've talked about. We talked about how it's at the side of a rectangular prism. It's one of the faces of a rectangular prism. So let's look here. Let's look at the first shape. What's this first shape? Is it a triangle or a rectangle? It's a rectangle. So let's try to draw that. It's long and skinny this way and shorter this way. Don't make it too big because you need to put in several. What's this? 1, 2, 3. If those were wheels, it would be a tricycle, but they're angles, so it's a triangle. Let's look at that one. Whoops. Why did I write the word triangle? I need to draw that picture. Now they made it look upside down from what we're used to. So let's draw it like that. Even though it looks upside down, it's still a triangle. Now let's look at this one. That thing has a problem. Is it a triangle? Is it a rectangle? Well, it would be a rectangle if everything hooked up, but it doesn't. So it's not. So we're just going to leave that out. We're not going to draw it at all. What's this? How many sides does it have? 4 sides. And let's see, here's a rectangular prism. Does it have one of those? Yep, it's a square. But a square is also a special kind of rectangle. So we can draw our square even though it's sitting on its corner. We can draw our square right over here. Do your best to do that. If it doesn't come out perfect, that's okay. Mine didn't come out perfect either. Let's look at this one. This is it's a triangle again. Again, it looks upside down from what we're used to, but it's still a triangle. We've got a flat thing on top, then it dives straight down, and then we connect our corners. How about this one? Nah, it's broken. It's not anything. What's this? Rectangle. This time it's a tall rectangle. And this one? Oh, there's another one of our special rectangles. It's also called a square. All right, when you're finished, turn the page. If you need to pause the video, that's all right. Okay, let's look at the next page. Model and draw. Here are some ways to sort two-dimensional shapes. Curved and closed shapes. So here are some curved and closed shapes. Closed shapes with blank sides. How many sides do those triangles have? Each one has 3 sides. Closed shapes with blank vertices. Vertices is another word for angles or corners. There's a vertex, there's a vertex, there's a vertex, and there's a vertex. How many vertexes? But we don't really say vertexes, we say vertices. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How about this one? 1. And this one? How many vertices do all of these rectangles, closed shapes with that number of vertices have? 4. Read the sorting rule. Circle the shapes that follow the rule. 4 vertices. Does that one have 4 vertices? What about that one? Nope, only 3. This one? Yep. This one? Yep. This one? Nope. Okay. How about this one? Not curved. Is this one not curved? Yes, it's not curved. That sounds funny, doesn't it? How about this? Is this not curved? It's not curved. What about that? Is that not curved? No, actually it is curved, so we're not going to circle this one because it's not curved, because it is curved. Boy, that's weird. All right, I'm going to let you finish that one on your own. I'm not finishing that one. I want you to finish it on your own and then go on to do the rest of the page. Go ahead and get started.